So knowing when to start the plants for your garden is one of the keys to garden success. You start them too early and the plants can get leggy and weak, or they may freeze if you put them into the garden too soon. And if you start your plants too late, you may not get a crop. So I use the 8-4-0 rule, and I use this to know when to start my plants. So to use the 8-4-0 rule, you first want to find your average last frost date. And if you don't know how to, do an internet search on the term average last frost date and the name of your city and your state. This should give you a date. I call the week that this day falls in as week 0. So from that date, week 0, we count back 8 weeks. This is the date that you can start your warm weather plants that can't take a frost, such as tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants in the house for transplanting into the garden in 8 weeks. This is also when you can start your cool weather transplants in the house. These are the ones that can take a frost and can be planted in the garden in 4 weeks. These plants may include lettuce, kale, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. So 4 weeks before week 0, you can plant in your garden all the cool weather plants such as carrots, radishes, onions, turnips, arugula, lettuce, kale, broccoli, peas, cabbage, and cauliflower. So using the 8-4-0 rule, you can get your plants into the garden just at the right time to have the best success with your plants. So if you'd like to learn more about warm weather and cool weather plants, you can jump into our High Performance Garden Show. There we teach you all about garden timing so you can have your best success. There's over 300 episodes for you to learn from, and it's free, it's online, and you can find it at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, or click the link below.